Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. Today we are going to be playing some Sims. Let's go up here, and here we are. So today we're going to go find my character, Edith Rose. This is my cat. I got to lecture about scratching. You know how animals are. Anyways, so we are going to be playing some Sims, and in the Sims we have multiple things. I built this house in exactly 5 minutes. We had a fire. So, yeah. Crazy, right? Okay, let's go take a shower. Did I forget a bathroom? I totally forgot a bathroom. Oopsies. Toopsie doos. That was my fault, guys. That was seriously my fault. I never meant to do that, my poor characters. I never meant to do that. Never did. No, I did not. I did not mean to do that. See, guys, I'm weird. Totally weird. You probably never want to be my friends. I mean, I'm not going to be friends with people online because I don't know them. So, but we can talk. I'm just kidding, we're not going to talk. That's just awkward. Who would want to do that? Unless you want to get things taken away. Yes, you may, of course, do that. But up in my house, we don't do that. No, no. That's naughty. That's naughty, naughty, naughty. Yeah, I'm awkward. I like it though. Yes, I do. This bathroom's awkward. Take shower. This house is amazing. We are going to be taking a look at this house. Here's me house. Yeah, this is my house next to these houses. Aren't these houses nice though? Oops, screenshot. Aren't these houses nice though? I really like this one right here. This one's one of my favorites. Visit Panel of Brigands. Panel of Brigands. Visit Alexander Jimson. Cancel. You don't just come to my house. Nope. Honey, no. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm weird. Don't judge. Okay, we're going to cook a meal because up here you have to cook. Local businesses want to show some customer appreciation by offering free food and drinks. It's time to get out of the house and visit a venue. A venue, you say? Where would one be at? Where would a venue be at? I don't see one. Nope, I don't see one. I don't see a venue. No, I don't. He'd have a legacy plan, the event of his death, and arrangements. In holiday early. So she is asleep, sleeping peacefully. We're gonna speed this up. And that's the end of this video. See you guys later.